Hello fam, happy to see you join me today. In this episode, we have this problem 22 to the power x minus 4 to the power x equals 468, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 468 into two numbers such as 26 times 18. Next, we are going to break down 26 into the summation of 22 plus 4 and express 18 as 22 minus 4. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 22 to the power 2 minus 4 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Smash that like button and subscribe to keep watching more fun content.